So this is the basic rope access setup. We've got a harness with integrated ascending device. We've got our descending device, our backup. We have a spare backup. We have carabiners, a Jumar, foot loop, cow's tails, and a helmet. So to start off, we're going to fit our harness. So we're going to step into the harness. Now that we're into the harness, we're going to make all the straps nice and snug. So you generally want about a 2-finger width in the waist, in the legs, and in the shoulders. We also want to have our dorsal in roughly this position. If you're not flexible, get somebody to give you a hand to move this buckle into the right position. Tidy away our straps. So the first thing we're going to do is tie on our cow's tails. So we're going to tie on into our D-link. So we're going to take roughly a meter and make an 8. And then we're going to thread it back through, tracing the 8 in the rope. Once it's all been threaded, you should have a tail that's longer than the width of your hand. So we're going to do 3 of those. And again, checking each time that the knot's nicely dressed and that the tail is longer than your hand. Okay. Now we've got 3 nicely dressed figure of 8s. We can then put on our screw gates or carabiners. So for this setup, we're going to do a figure of 8 on a bite. So I'm going to take roughly about a foot of rope and tie an 8. Again, we want the tails longer than the length of our hand. Okay, now that we have 3 cow's tails, we're going to use one of them for our Jumar. And with our Jumar, we're going to have a foot loop. for helping us ascend the rope. Then going to have our main descending device into our D-ring. We're then going to have our backup into our full arrest D-ring. We're then going to have our spare backup on our harness in case we need it. And then we're going to have our helmet. Fit the helmet nice and snug, so it shouldn't move about. And most importantly, put your chin strap on so it doesn't fall off. And that is us set up, we're ready to go.